This is Lilith, a scarf from my collection at InspireMeScarves.com, and Lilith is a mini scarf. I'm going to show you 3 great ways to style a mini scarf. I folded her into a triangle, bunched her up a little bit, I'm going to wrap her around my neck 2 times, pulling those tie-ins either to the side or the front, depending on what you want. Don't choke yourself doing it. Been there, done that. One easy little twist, and you've got a fun look, very classic, very great. You can also do the same thing by taking a scarf and attaching it to the handle of your bag for a fun look, dress up your bag. I'm going to take this same scarf and I'm going to put it onto the belt loop of my jeans or my slacks. So one of the fun things you need to know about Lilith is always happy to share her thoughts, but Lilith will never share her food. Look what a fun look this is. I love it. Enjoy your scarves.